Namaste and welcome to the day 6 of the 7 days of Prana and Pranayama. Today's practice is going to help you increase your lung capacity and strengthen the lungs, along with, of course, raising the prana and making you feel good. We'll be doing a little bit of Kumbhaks as well today. So let's get into something comfortable and let's get started. Let's keep our spine straight. Let's keep our shoulders relaxed, chest open. Bring the hands in front of the heart, spine straight. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Feeling reverence and honor for being here today. We'll chant the prayer. Pranasyedam vashe sarvam Tridive yat pratishtitam Mateva putran rakshasva Shrishcha prajnamscha videhina iti. Take another breath in and breathe out. Relax the hands and taking your own time, you may open your eyes. Today the first breathing exercise that we will be doing, the pranayama we will be doing, is the Viloma breathing. V means opposite. Viloma means one that goes against the natural flow, against the grain. So this will help us develop better control over our lungs. Normally we inhale smoothly in pranayamas and exhale smoothly in pranayamas. But in the Viloma breathing, we are going to be inhaling in steps. So imagine as if there is a ladder from your pelvic floor up to your throat, and we are going to be breathing in steps. So it's not done as one smooth breath like this. Instead of this, we'll be climbing stairs. Imagine there are stairs and you're breathing. So this is the inhalation and the exhalation, but there are 3 ways in which it is done. First, we'll just be doing the step breathing with the inhalation. Second time, we'll just be doing it with the exhalation. And third time, we'll be combining both. So let's keep the spine straight. You can be seated in a comfortable position, either on the ground, on the chair, wherever you prefer. Keep the spine straight. You can have the hips raised if you want, shoulders relaxed. A smile on the face. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Just observe your natural breath for a few moments. You can have the eyes closed or for a few moments. Initially, if you're not aware of the pranayama, you can keep them open for a few breaths. After that, you can close once you feel confident. Take a breath in and breathe out totally, normal breath. Now imagining that steps from the pelvic floor up to the throat will fill the lungs in totally as we breathe in steps. You can take 3 to 5 steps to reach the top till the throat once the lungs are totally full, and we'll be exhaling slowly and out. So inhaling in steps, exhaling smooth, slowly and smoothly. Inhale in steps. Exhale smoothly, taking as many steps as you need. Inhale. You can close your eyes. Continue. Letting the expression be gentle. After this round, relax, let the breath come in and out naturally. Now we are going to reverse the flow. We are going to be inhaling smoothly and we'll be exhaling in steps. Again, without any strain, without any tension. So your face should always be able to have a smile on it. That's the sign of doing pranayama well. Shoulders are always relaxed, spine is straight. So let's take a deep breath in. And now exhale in steps, imagining you're going down from throat till the pelvic floor. Inhale. Exhaling till the breath is totally out. Once more, taking your own time. You can do it in 3 steps, 5 steps, 6 steps, as many as you need. Continue. Relax after this round. Let the breath come in and out normally. Now we'll combine both of these with the inhalation and exhalation. We'll be doing steps breathing. So when we are inhaling, we inhale totally up till the lungs are completely full. You can also imagine that as you inhale, the prana is raising up. You're going up that ladder from the pelvic floor up to the throat. So let's begin the inhalation in steps. Exhalation in steps. Inhale in steps. Exhale in steps. Continue. After completing this round, relax the breath, breathing in smooth and slow breaths in and breathing out smoothly. One more breath in and breathe out. Taking your own time, you may gently open your eyes. The Viloma breath that we just did is a great practice to help you increase your lung capacity, and it also provides a very fine control over the breath and the flow of the air. It's also very good for anxiety and just to calm you down in a few moments with that attention on the breath. Next, we'll be doing the deep breath, the Sukha Pranayama, and we'll be doing this for 5 breaths. We'll just take normal breaths in and out and just becoming aware of where the breath changes from the inhalation to the exhalation. After that, we'll add a little bit of breath retention, Kumbhaka, not long Kumbhaks but short. If you're suffering from any heart diseases or you're pregnant, just skip the Kumbhaka and you can keep in breathing, inhaling and exhaling normally. So sitting tall, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. You can gently close your eyes if you want to. Inhale, filling the chest, filling the belly. Exhale totally. Just being aware of your breath, noticing where the breath changes from the inhalation to the exhalation and from the exhalation to the inhalation. Inhale. Exhale. Continue for 2 more breaths, deep breaths, slow breaths on your own. Now let's add the count. We'll count to 3 as we inhale and count to 3 as we exhale. We'll do this 5 times. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Continuing the count in the mind for 3 more breaths. Now we will add a little Kumbhaka. Inhale, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale, 2, 3. Hold. Inhale, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale, 2, 3. Hold. Continue this way for 5 more breaths. Never straining the breath, moving at your own pace. If you need a shorter count, you can even go for a count of 2. If you want a longer count, you can even take the count to 4 or 5. Last one. After completing this one, let the breath relax, letting the breath be normal, natural. Let's bring our palms in front of the heart. We'll chant Om Shanti 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 to conclude the practice. Take a deep breath in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Taking your own time, whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Hope you liked today's practice. These pranayamas and kumbhaks really help with the oxygen carbon dioxide exchange and make your lungs very strong. So when we hold the breath, or when automatically, you will also notice sometimes after pranayamas for a few moments the breath stops on its own. You would have noticed after Bhastrika also it happens sometimes, after Kapalabhati also it happens. If the carbon dioxide is totally out of the body, your brain does not trigger that sensation to breathe, and then that is known as the Keval Kumbhak, the Kumbhak that happens automatically, and it takes us within. It helps us channelize and move inwards. Also great for meditation. So you can do these breathing practices few times. You can do it deep breathing for about 5 minutes. So you can do the inhalation for couple counts, exhalation for couple counts. So you can do that, and if you want, you can add kumbhaks as well. We'll see you for day 7 for calming practice. Thank you for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.